Hey, today on Hair Home Happy, we're gonna learn how to do this super cute, super simple half updo for short hair. Check it out. Hi, welcome to Hair Home Happy. My name is Maggie Daniel, and today I'm going to show you a super quick tutorial on how to style this big hair into something cute. So first, if you haven't checked out my video on the micro crimping tool, make sure to check that out. There's a link in the description, or make sure to subscribe to my channel. But I went through and I prepped my hair with this micro crimping tool. Basically what it does is it makes micro crimps at the base of your hair to help give your hair some grit and texture and just give it some more volume. So I went ahead and went through my entire head with that micro crimper just to give it some more lift at the root. Then I'm gonna use Monat's Restyling Instant Taffy, and I'm using about that much. And I'm gonna take this and work it together in my hands and just kind of go through and fluff my hair. I'm gonna get it at the roots. I'm gonna get it through the back. We're gonna get a little something about Mary up in here and just really work it through, okay? Then I'm going to take just a wet brush like this. I'm gonna section my hair right here and give it a little tease. Take another little section right behind that. Give it a little tease. Okay, so I prepped the hair. I've used taffy and a wet brush and a micro crimper, and I have lots and lots of volume. So really, it's so simple, guys. You're gonna take about the outside of your eyebrows or your temples and go straight back and gather that hair into a super cute little poof. I'm gonna use a bobby pin, even have it on my arm. And I'm just gonna slide it horizontally across the top. Okay, so that is secure. You could easily just wear it like this. You could spray Refinish Control hairspray, fluff it in a little hold, and you're good to go. So you could finish and just look like this, or you could take it to the next level and give yourself like a half updo. And I just like to, you know, kind of comb that a little bit, comb this side a little bit. And again, you're just going to take a bobby pin, just kind of gather that, slide it in there, gather this side back. It's super simple. Once you have that micro crimping in there, it's so easy to get that volume and get that grip in your hair. So really, it's just sliding in a few bobby pins. And just a little quick tip about bobby pins, to help hide them, you go with the grain of the hair and then flip it back and push it in. See how that is? And then you can just fluff it and finish it with your Refinish Control hairspray. And there you go. Thanks so much for joining me today and learning how to do this super cute, super simple half updo for short hair. Make sure to follow the links in the descriptions to find the products that I've used today. Also, like and subscribe my channel so that you can get updates when I post new videos, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.